All right, so today this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a little bit of editing, composition, and current affairs. We have quite a lot. We have about 36 slides, and we're only the second slide. So the lesson is going to go at a little bit of a fast speed, but let's see if we can do this. All right, Tammy, could you read for me the instructions, please, for editing?
Carefully read the text below consisting of 12 lines. The first and last lines are correct. The 8 of the lines, there are one grammatical error in each line.
There's already one grammatical error in your reading.
There is one grammatical error in each line. There are 2 more lines with no errors. If there is no error in a line, put a Y in the space provided. If the line is incorrect, take note of the incorrect word and type the correct word in the space provided. The correct word you provide must not change the original meaning of the sentence.
All right, let's look at an example. I arrived to my destination at 2 p.m. It's not 2. You don't arrive to your destination. You arrive at your destination. So there's an error. So I put it there. My mother always wears sensible clothes. No error here. Therefore, I put yes. Yes, as in it's correct. Got it? Everybody clear? All right. This is what we're going to do. I want you to take a picture of the 1 to 6 and see if you can get this for me. Take a picture of this and take out a piece of paper. Tristan, you need a piece of paper and pencil, and you need to scribble down your answers. All right, I'll give you 2 minutes. Sorry, 6 questions. I'll give you 3 minutes, and then take out a piece of paper and scribble the answers. Thank you. Sorry, can you take a screenshot of this page and the next page? Take out your mobile phone, take a picture of this page and this page. Mother, Tammy. I need to train you to think faster and write faster, yeah? Mother, who's the soccer player behind you?
It's my favorite football player, Kylian Mbappe.
What's his name?
Kylian Mbappe.
That's very handsome. Are you done, Mother?
Oh, yeah.
Tammy, done? Tammy. Kristen, are you done? All right, gotta work faster, yeah? All right, Tristan done. Tammy. Tammy Ling, where are you? Where's Tammy? Tammy, are you there? Are you done, Tammy? All right, let's start. All right, let's start with the first one. At 12 years old, I believe, that honesty is the best policy and that you will always be rewarded for telling the truth. My belief was, anybody can come and tell me, Mother, give me the answer. What is wrong with this?
The word believe is wrong.
All right, so you need to circle this. Please circle this. All right, and believe, what is it? What is the right answer?
Believe.
How do I spell it?
BELIEF.
Are you kidding me? So frustrating. BELIEF. So this is a verb, believe, and this is a noun. All right, so what is happening is the word form is changing. What is happening? The word form is changing. I believe you, that is an action. Anything that's got to do with an action, it's a verb. I kick the ball, I sing, I play. Anything to do with an action is a verb. My belief system, the belief of the people. If this is a noun, anything that you have a noun, you can put the word the before it. So the belief. All right. So my belief, sorry guys. All right, Tristan, let's do number 2. What's number 2?
Number 2 is there's nothing wrong with number 2.
Perfect. Nothing wrong, so I'll put the word Y. All right, number 3, Tammy, number 3.
All.
Yes.
The out is all.
All right, wrong word, not out, but all of a sudden. All right, so wrong word, okay? This is not out of a sudden, but this is a wrong word. All right, guys, what I'm writing here is what's important. Wrong word, word form, because the sentences are going to change with every exercise, but these error types are going to be the same. In another exercise, you will still have the wrong word. You will still have the word form, but the actual answers are going to change. So I want you to understand the green circles that I'm teaching. That is more important. Are you getting it? Because everything else is going to change. Number 4, back to mother.
Number 4 is the word is wrong.
Thank you. Were changed to what?
Was.
The shattering was. Okay, the shattering glass was. So this is singular. This is subject verb agreement, SVA. So what I need you to know is what are the type of errors that are being tested? Word form errors, SVA errors, wrong word errors. Do you get it? So if you have another exercise, your answers will all change, but these error types will be the same. Are you getting what I'm trying to teach you? Guys, are you getting it? All right. Number 5. Tristan?
Number 5 is the although is wrong.
Thank you. Very good. All the authors.
And although becomes but.
Although, alamak. Not but. I wouldn't prefer but. I would actually prefer, give me a better word than but.
Despite.
Despite, I look however, another word for but I look for the owner, apologize, and offer, however.
Okay.
So this is a conjunction. All right, conjunction. So what is this error type? Conjunction. Are you getting it? I'm trying to teach you the error types, okay? Number 6. Tammy?
The expect is wrong. It should be expecting.
Thank you. Not expect, but expecting. I was expecting. So this is a tense error. All right. Okay, let's stop here. Within the 6 questions, you already know the 5 kind of errors are going to be tested. Your tenses are going to be tested. Your conjunctions are going to be tested. Your subject-verb agreements are going to be tested. Your usage of wrong word is going to be tested. Your word forms are going to be tested. Don't worry, this is just week 3. It's subset 1. It says, oh, Gloria, Miss Teacher, I do not know what you mean by conjunction and SVA and wrong word. I'm a bit confused. Do not worry. That is the reason why I'm here. That is the reason why you're paying me. Am I right? I am here to teach you step by step. So this is the first few exercises. So don't worry, I'll just take you through this. As we go deeper into the set 1 studies, I will unpack this for you. All right, got it? Shall we move on? All right, let's move on. 7. Back to mother. 7, what do you get for 7, mother?
There are no errors in 7.
Perfect. So it is a Y. 8, Tristan?
I never seen the kids.
Yeah, supposed to be, I've never seen a kid. This error is called articles. Anybody can tell me how many articles there are in English?
3.
Sorry?
3.
Thank you. There are 3 articles. What are the 3 articles? Okay.
It's a,
And
and
the. There are only three articles in English, a, an, and the. When I say go and slap the boy, I'm being very definite. I know very well, very specific who it is. Specific, definite article. Go and slap a boy, mother. Go and slap and something, whatever. Okay, this is indefinite because this is not specific. Go and slap the boy who's holding my book. Do you get it? So within articles, there are three articles in English, a and the. And within the three articles, a and n are indefinite articles. The is a definite articles. All right, don't worry if you do not know this. This was taught in primary school, but like a refresher. All right, number 9, whose turn is it? Tristan, no, Tristan did it already. Whose turn is it? Tammy, right? Tammy, your turn?
New is wrong. It should be no.
Thank you, darling. New is wrong. New is wrong. It's supposed. Could anybody tell me what error type is this?
Tense.
Thank you. This is a tense error. All right, why am I focusing on error types? Because the passage that you're going to get in every exercise is going to change. Your answers at the side that you're writing is going to change. What is not going to change in this exercise? I repeat, when your teacher in the school gives you this exercise, is the passage going to be the same? No. Is the answers going to be the same? No. So what is going to be the same? What is going to be constant?
Like the tenses?
The error types are going to be the same. So when your teacher gives another exercise, it will be a different passage, a different answer, but it will still be a tense error. It will still be an article error. It will still be a wrong word error. It will still be a conjunction error. So how do you ace this component of editing? If you learn the error types. Are you getting it? Roughly? Give me a thumbs up if you understand 50% of what I'm saying. Only Tristan giving me thumbs up and Tammy. Mother? Okay, thank you. All right, number 10. Whose turn is it now? Back to Mother. Mother, what is number 10?
The wrong word is those.
Yes, thank you. It's not supposed to be those. It's supposed to be
That.
all right, singular and plural, right? Those is plural. That is singular and with reference as well. Okay, so that's another error type. All right. All right, guys, well done. Not bad. I hope you got at least Tammy, how much did you get out of 10?
Full marks.
Well done. Mother?
Because I did the worksheet already.
Oh, okay, very good. Where is the worksheet posted?
When you just go live tutorial, you have the worksheet
Oh, and where do you write the answers?
on the worksheet.
And where will the worksheet be?
Like there's this part, worksheet, result, and join now. You click worksheet.
Oh, okay, let me go and check it out. Maybe I can see that.
Should I share my screen?
Yes, please share your screen.
Okay. Wait a sec. So it's here. Worksheet.
Show me.
Worksheet. It's the same thing.
Oh,
Oh. Sorry. I closed it by accident.
show me again, show me again.
Wait.
Show me, Terry. Show me your cursor. Where's your cursor?
What?
Show me your cursor. Where's